Part B of question 4. I'm going to add 1 to both sides and divide by 3 to find out what t is. Now I'm going to put this in here. So I've got x plus 1 over 3 minus 1 and x plus 1 over 3 plus 2. Okay, let's tidy up both of those fractions. So I've got x plus 1 over 3 minus 3 over 3. And here x plus 1 over 3 plus 6 over 3 there. 6 over 3, of course, is 2. So tidying that up, here I've got 1/3 of x take away 2. That's that first bracket. And here I've got 1/3 of x add 7. 6 and 1 is 7. Finished by writing 1/9 of x minus 2 x plus 7. Now, what about the domain and range? So we're told that it's going to be from -4 to 4 is our t values. The x values, reasonably straightforward. Stick the 4 in here and we get 11. Stick the -4 in there and we get -13. There's our domain. Now the range is sticking them in there. So if we're going from t from 4 to -4, then the y values, stick a 4 in there. We've got 6 times 3, which is 18. And stick the -4 in there. I've got -5 times 2. I've got -10. So your first thought might be that it's that. Made a negative slip there, didn't I? So -2 times -5 is 10. You might think it's going to be between 10 and 18, but of course it's a quadratic again. And so look, what you could do is just tap that into your equation solver and get the maximum value or the minimum value. And the minimum value of this is that y has a minimum value of -9 over 2, -9 over 4, and that happens at t is equal to -1/2. You could get that just by spotting that this is halfway between 2 and -7. Sorry, wrong one. You could get that by spotting that it's halfway between 1 and -2. That tells you where the minimum is going to be from a bit of symmetry there. So there's your domain, and now our range then is that y is less than 18. We know it's less than 18, but it can go all the way down to -9 over 4, and it can equal that. We haven't even finished yet, have we? We've still got to draw the graph for it. So the t values were from -4 to 4, but the x values go from 11 all the way down to -13. We already done that when we have 11, we had 18. So up there we've got 18. And we already know that -13, we've got 10. The other bit that we've got is that when t is equal to -1/2, so if t is equal to -1/2, that would mean x is -5 over 2, so it's down there, and it's going to go all the way down and then all the way up again, and that lowest point there is -9 over 4.